All right. Okay. This is it. What do you think of that? It's a menorah.
It's nice.
Thank you. That's also going to be a part of a menorah.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. That's also a part of the menorah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So it's 4 here. No, like that. I think there's a crack in here. I think I see a crack. I don't like it. I don't like cracks.
What about cracks?
What do you think? That's for candles.
Ooh, really
Pretty.
I like that symbol. Very pretty.
Pretty. Pretty. Okay. What? Wait. That's one of my students did it.
Ah.
And that you that I did. I made that. Hamza. Hamza. Nice. Square plate. What do you think?
Ooh, I like those. Those little things in the corner.
This?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, let's put this here. Okay.
Not breaking anything.
Picture.
Ooh. You have a lot of patterns in these ones.
Yep, I did it deliberately and I like it.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. It's a mixture of red clay and white clay. Okay. That did Bar did it. Cute.
Yeah.
That's also what she did. And Yannick made it, one of my students. Now that is a piece of art that made one of my students. She tried working on the wheel and that's what happened. She decided to keep it just, you know, just for her to remember what she doesn't like to do. So now everybody likes to work on the wheel, but nonetheless she liked it. So that's it. Bye.